You've been in an accident, you wonder where your case is going, and you ask yourself, where does the litigation go from this point on? What happens? My name is Johnny Kuhl. I answer these questions all the time. I practice law in New York State. There's a big difference between a mediation and a trial. A lot of times in a single litigation, there is a mediation, and if that's not successful, then there's a trial. A mediation is very different from a trial in the sense that it's just in front of one person, typically a retired judge or a lawyer or someone who is just trained as a mediator. There's no jury, there's no courtroom setting. It's just a discussion, an informal discussion that is not binding on the parties. But it can expedite your case, and it can cut years off what a trial can warrant. Now, some of the pluses and minuses of mediation that you have to consider, because really it's your choice. It's your choice to determine whether a case settles or not, and only your choice. You, of course, listen to your attorney, but think about mediation. Think about being educated about it. It costs something. Your lawyer has to pay, and the defendant has to pay. You are in a tribunal where it may be an hour, maybe 3 hours. It may cover a series of days. All of the issues will be worked out. The mediator acts as a third-party neutral to kind of help the sides work out their differences. How successful is it? How often is it successful? It depends. Really, if the carrier is motivated to settle the case, oftentimes it settles. If a plaintiff lawyer, what we do is we try to size up the proper number. We try to work within those parameters. We don't bend. We don't shake. We play with it. We see how it goes. If the number that is achieved is something that you want as a client, we'll give you all counsel and advice, and then it's up to you to make that decision. But you have to understand that a mediation is non-binding, as I said. It doesn't end the case if you do not want to settle a case. That's why you need a lawyer that can handle mediations, a lawyer that can handle trials. Because if one doesn't work, then the other is your final remedy, and you better be prepared to have an attorney that can handle that. I do it all the time. My name is Johnny Kuhl. Thank you.